The teacher is very gentle. Although she doesn't in number 39, speak Chinese, she tries her best to translate and does hands-on exercises. We can all understand what she is doing, and even those of us who are not very dexterous can complete the tasks. The shop staff and the instructors had a wonderful atmosphere, and I had a fun experience. Working silently, the time flew by. I was able to choose the color and thongs and make my own cloth sandals, which I in number 39, am very satisfied with. Even those who don in number 39, understand Japanese can successfully make it. The instructor is very helpful and patient, and it in number 39, is definitely worth the try. The teacher is very patient and dedicated to teaching, and anyone who enjoys handicrafts will love the experience. It requires patience and attention to detail, but the seller was excellent and very patient in guiding us, making it a truly great experience. I decided to make my own Zori sandals and I was able to book one easily with KKday. The instructor was very patient and pleasant. I made a few boo-boos, skipping steps, and she guided me patiently. You are given 3 hours to finish the project, but if you go over, if there's no session after, then it's okay. The first sandal, I was able to finish it in almost 2 hours. But once I got the hang of it, I finished the second slipper before the third hour was up. Making the sandals yourself is half the cost of the sandals. I bought 2 extra kits and other accessories, the wooden holder, a pair of scissors, and a thread puller. I loved the relaxed atmosphere. There were only 3 attendees, so I'm not sure if it would be hectic if there were more people present. I enjoyed it a lot and I would do it again in a heartbeat when I'm in Tokyo. The instructor was very patient and provided meticulous guidance, making for a very enjoyable 3-hour knitting experience. I highly recommend this trip. The ladies were very friendly and helpful with the slipper making process. Handmade items can be time-consuming. This lady was very patient with teaching us. The experience was a lot of fun and it is a nice souvenir to bring home. The lecturer was wonderfully kind and patient. The finished Zori was so beautiful and comfortable. We went back the next day to purchase kits to make Zori at home. This will be a shop I visit whenever I am in Japan. The teacher carefully and gently taught me how to knit my own slippers. It in number 39, is not difficult, just a little patience. It takes about 2.5 to 3 hours. There are no disadvantages except that the chair is a little difficult to sit on. Foreigners can enjoy tax exemption if they buy in the store. It is very close to the station and worth visiting. My elementary school-aged child participated in the workshop. The instructor taught us gently and carefully, and his attentive attention to detail put us at ease and allowed us to complete the process. My child was very happy with the cloth sandals he made himself, choosing all the colors and patterns himself. I would like to participate again. Thank you very much.